Hi friends, welcome back to Imagination Station.
It was a bright, sunny morning, and the mission monkeys, Mila, Mia, and Mick were hunting for eggs in the jungle during their annual Easter banana bash. Mick held up a glittery egg. "This one smells like jelly beans and socks." Milo sniffed. "Ooh, that's mine. I forgot to take it out of my backpack last year." Beep, beep, beep. Miller tapped the mission tablet. "Monkeys, we've got a holiday emergency." Mia squinted at the screen. "Easter Island has gone missing." Mick gasped. "Wait, the whole island." Milo's jaw dropped. "Where did it go?" "It's kind of big," Mila said. "Only one way to find out." "Mission monkeys, let's hop to it." Arrival at Easter Island. Sort of. The monkeys zoomed in on their banana copter, but when they got to where Easter Island should be, all they saw was a cloud shaped like a bunny and one very confused pelican. Mia adjusted her goggles. According to the map, the island floated away on a giant chocolate egg. Mick sniffed the air. Confirmed. Smells like fudge. They followed the chocolatey trail across the ocean until they spotted a floating island strapped to an enormous marshmallow bunny. Eggs draw weird challenges. As they landed, they were greeted by the Easter emu, who looked frazzled. "The giant Easter bunny bot was supposed to hide eggs," he explained, "but it went haywire and hid all the eggs in the wrong places, then flew away with the island." Mia nodded. "We'll need to find the eggs and fix the bunny bot's programming." Challenge 1. Count the eggs. They found a field of bouncy eggs. A sign read, "Find the eggs that come in groups of 5. Mick counted out loud. 5, 10, 15. Banana. Wait, no. 20. Nice. Let's gather them. Challenge 2. Color clue puzzle. Each egg had a letter inside. They needed to spell spring. Milo shouted, "I found an S." Mick held up an R and G, then dropped the G, and it rolled into the frosting river. Oops. They managed to find all the letters, and the Easter emu pressed a giant candy button. Boing. The Easter bunny bot came hopping back, blinking happily. EGG hiding mode fixed. Mission accomplished. With the eggs back where they belonged and Easter Island safely anchored again, the monkeys sat down with the emu for a banana peat pie picnic. Mick took a bite and grinned. This mission was excellent. Milo rolled his eyes. "You've been waiting to say that the whole time, haven't you?" The monkeys all laughed and gave a final bunny hop dance to celebrate. Another holiday saved Mission Monkeys style.
Like, subscribe and share for more.